Hey guys, this is Steve Booth from the Happy Profits. Here's our chat room where we're calling out trades pretty early as much as possible. And even on a very chaotic stock, we start calling out these trades when they're regapping because we start seeing these. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up both of these real quick and go over each one. We're going to go over AEHL. In pre-market had a lot of chaos, but it was good. It was up in the 30s this morning. And if you just waited patiently when it was overbought, and then when it was oversold, you'll start seeing these cup and handles break at the same previous level. That's a big breakout again. Rejected 3 times at that area, good place to short. If you start seeing the big drawdowns right here, this is another good entry indicator right here. Right here, you can start taking right here at this first stair step on that maneuver. And then right here, a bear flag, which is just a big fight between sellers and buyers all the time. That's why it's such a side grind. But eventually, if it's not really regaining right there, that's why it continues down. And then right here, even at the open, you don't think this is much. These are 40-cent moves right here. And we're just calling them out saying, hey, wait patiently, and nothing's producing itself. So it was a good wait. I'm going to go ahead and pull up one more real quick. Let me pull up this one, and y'all have a good day. And I have to pull it from over here. My apologies. Right here, WALDS. So I missed all this trade. I get up. And I don't really care because I know a stock, if it is a really good stock, it will eventually do what? It'll give you another chance to take a trade. So here's the stock going up, and here's something I don't like to do. 30 minutes before the open trade. So I do get on, that's when I prepare. And then I just see this channel. And then I see this channel. And then I eventually see this line is pretty solid, and this line is solid. So when this stock broke out, I called 7-Eleven and it went to 8.14. Hopefully you took your trade out because when it did open, it was 60 cents lower, which was hilarious. I had this order pop off because I put it at this stop loss over here and it popped off and regained. This is 5.95 when it rebroke. Biggest indicator here is when this halted down that you go, that's the area I want to enter, and perfectly drew back up right here, rebroke, and kept going up till here. This is where it was oversold, so now people start buying it again, and then it got overbought. And then when it gets overbought, kept bouncing off this line. That's the red line that I said once it hits this line, it will be a forever down short because that's a descending wedge happening right there. And I did take a lot of these consolidation trades off of this line. 1, 2, and 1/3 one right in between this line here. Y'all have a good day. Just start looking at your charts and see if you can see patterns because that's what's going to make you the money one day.